Total Preparation Lucknow welcomes you all to its online program.
Friends, in this video we would be discussing 100 one-liner current affairs for the period of 16th of July till 31st of July 2020. So let's quickly begin. Name the nurse of Indian origin who has been awarded the Singapore Presidential Award for outstanding services in these difficult times of COVID-19 pandemic. So the name of the nurse is Kala Narayanaswamy. Which Indian vaccine manufacturer will start human trials of the COVID-19 vaccine candidate Chedox 1, developed by Oxford University and AstraZeneca? So the name of the institute is Serum Institute of India. What is the maximum sum insured under the standard Corona Kavach policy insurance cover? So the maximum sum insured is rupees 5 lakhs. Which education policy has been recently released by the Government of India? The name of the education policy is National Education Policy 2020. Which state or union territory has approved an insurance cover of rupees 25 lakh for all its panchayat members? It has been declared in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Where is the Zoram Mega Food Park located? It is located in Mizoram. Form 26AS, which was recently in the news, is a document related to which organization? It is related to Central Board of Direct Taxes, also called CBDT. Who is the chairman of Telecom Disputes Settlement and Appellate Tribunal, TDSAT? So the chairman is Shivakirti Singh. According to Projects Today, which state was India's top investment destination in the first quarter of 2019-20? Tamil Nadu. Who has been appointed as a personal secretary to the President Ramnath Kovind? P. Praveen Siddharth. The Chattogram port that was recently in news is located in which country? It is located in Bangladesh. Which organization has recently launched the first version of an e-portal called Aspire? It has been launched by International Center of Automotive Technology, ICAT. Bhasanchar Island is located in which country? This island is located in Bangladesh. Which union ministry has launched the ASEEM portal? Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has launched ASEEM. Which global organization has formed an independent panel under the chairmanship of Helen Clark and Ellen Johnson Sirleaf to review their COVID-19 strategy? World Health Organization. Which rare orchid species was rediscovered by forest experts at Dudhwa Tiger Reserve? Eulophia obtusa. Which is the first Arab country to plan a Mars orbiter campaign? United Arab Emirates or UAE. Which Indian organization has formed a working group to study the feasibility of creating an epidemic risk pool? So it has been formed by IRDA, which is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. According to the data recently released by the Union Ministry of Commerce and Industry, which country was India's top trading partner in 2019-20? United States of America. Which central PSU has won the prestigious CII ITC Sustainability Award 2019 for outstanding achievement in the Corporate Excellence category? NTPC Limited. The farmers of which state have recently started using the new flood-resistant paddy varieties instead of its traditional varieties? So the name of the state is Assam. The Chief Minister of which state has released the book Tangams? Arunachal Pradesh. Which year has been determined by the Indian Railways to achieve net zero carbon emissions? 2030. The COIR board is a statutory body under which Union Ministry of India? It is under MSME Ministry. In which month of 2020 India achieved a trade surplus of 790 million US dollars for the first time after 18 years? In June 2020. Which international organization has released a report titled The State of Food Security and Nutrition in the World 2020? United Nations. Which payment application has recently launched India's first numberless card targeted for teenagers? FamPay. According to VK Yadav, the chairman, Indian Railway Board, what is the revised time limit for starting private trains in India? By March 2024. The Central Institute of Petrochemicals Engineering and Technology (CIPET) is under which union ministry? It is under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Which country chaired the third meeting of G20 finance ministers and central bank governors? So it was chaired by Saudi Arabia. John Lewis, who died recently, was associated with the civil rights movement of which country? America. India's first public electric vehicle EV charging plaza has been established in which state or union territory? In New Delhi. Sumit Deb has been appointed as the chairman and managing director (CMD) of which organization? National Mineral Development Corporation. India has recently signed an agreement with which country to establish emergency medical services? So India has signed an agreement with Maldives. Which Indian public sector bank has launched InstaClick savings account? Bank of Baroda. The central government has extended the work from home facility for IT and IT enabled service companies till which month? Till the month of December 2020. Which state has approved the Digital Economy Mission to promote startups, e-commerce and other related companies? Karnataka. India is developing 30-second rapid testing kit for COVID-19 in collaboration with which country? Israel. When is the National Broadcasting Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 23rd of July. When did the first radio broadcast in India begin from Bombay station under private company Indian Broadcasting Company? It began on 23rd of July 1927. Which financial institution of India has released the Financial Stability Report? So this report has been released by RBI. According to the United Nations Environment Programme and the International Energy Agency, the Cooling Emissions and Policy Synthesis Report, what will be the estimated number of cooling machines in the world by 2050? 14 billion. National Dairy Development Board's Honey Testing Laboratory was inaugurated in which state? Gujarat. When is the Income Tax Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 24th of July. Which country has announced relaxation in the standards for exporting drones to its friendly countries? United States of America. Which Indian state or union territory will host the 4th edition of Khelo India Youth Games in 2021? Haryana. When is the Kargil Vijay Divas celebrated? It is celebrated on 26th of July. Which Asian country has banned the import of wildlife amidst the spread of coronavirus? Vietnam. What is the name of the weather forecast application recently launched by the Union Minister of Earth Sciences, Dr. Harshvardhan? Mausam. Which district has topped Niti Aayog's aspirational districts ranking for Feb-June 2020? Chhattisgarh's Bijapur. What is the name of the new mobile application of Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS)? So the name of the new mobile application is BIS Care. Which country has completed the reconstruction of the 300-year-old historic Sri Sri Jaykali Mata Mandir with Indian assistance? Bangladesh. Which Union Ministry launched Indian Report on Digital Education 2020? HRD Ministry. What has the Ministry of HRD been renamed? Ministry of Education. What is the name of the medical bed isolation system developed by the Defence Institute of Advanced Technology? ASHRAE. According to the report of the Ministry of Environment, which state has the highest number of tigers? Madhya Pradesh. Which is the first drone training school in India accredited by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation? Bombay Flying Club. Who represented India at the annual meeting of the Board of Governors of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank AIIB? Nirmala Sitharaman. Russia has ceased the delivery of S-400 air defense system to which neighboring country of India? The answer is China. When is the International Tiger Day celebrated? International Tiger Day is celebrated on 29th of July. According to the Tiger Status Report 2018, status of tigers, co-predators, prey and their habitat 2018, what percent of the world's tigers are in India? 70%. What is the name of the country's largest indigenous nuclear power reactor commissioned in July 2020? Kakrapar Atomic Power Plant 3. Kakrapar Atomic Energy Plant is located in which state of India? Gujarat. Which country has accused the US of testing anti-satellite weapon or missiles and called it a threat to the satellites in space? Russia. In its Financial Stability Report, RBI has estimated the gross non-performing assets to increase by what percent by March 2021? 12.5%. DRDO launched the competition Dare to Dream 2.0 for innovators and startups on July 27, 2020 on the 5th death anniversary of which former president? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Who is the author of the book The India Way: Strategies for an Uncertain World? External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. When is the World Nature Conservation Day celebrated? On 28th of July. When is the Central Reserve Police Force Foundation Day celebrated? On 27th of July. When is the World Hepatitis Day celebrated? On 28th of July. Lonar Lake in Buldhana district of Maharashtra was colored by the presence of which bacteria? So the name of the bacteria is Haloarchaea. Which state government has imposed a maximum penalty of 1 lakh rupees and 2 years in jail for those who do not wear masks? Jharkhand. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of SBI General Insurance? Prakash Chandra Kanpal. Which club was the winner of Premier League Football 2020? Liverpool. Which exercise took place recently between the USS Nimitz, the world's largest American warship, and the Indian Navy warships? PASIX. What is the name of the updated version of Nag missile whose successful test was recently conducted by the Indian Army in Balasore, Odisha? Dhruvastra. The central government has issued guidelines for not using which type of mask to protect against COVID-19? Valve-fitted N95 masks. US asked the consulate of which country in Houston to be closed for 72 hours after accusing them of stealing intellectual property? China. Name the new chairman of Bajaj Finance Limited, Mr. Sanjeev Bajaj. The Nobel Prize ceremony to be held in December this year has been temporarily postponed due to COVID-19. When was this ceremony postponed earlier? It was postponed in the year 1956. How long has the World Anti-Doping Agency extended the suspension of India's National Dope Testing Lab? 6 months. Which field was C.S. Seshadri, who died on 18th of July, associated with? Mathematics. Amidst COVID-19 pandemic, India has exported more than 9,000 tons spices via rail route to which country? Bangladesh. Lalji Tandon, who died on 21st of July 2020, was the governor of which state? Madhya Pradesh. When is the Nelson Mandela International Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 18th of July. Dr. Morisanda Kuwait of Guinea and Mariana Vadinogiannis of Greece have recently been honored with which award? Nelson Mandela Award 2020. Which state recently launched the Naveen Rojgar Chhatri Yojana for all-round development of the poor people of scheduled castes? Uttar Pradesh. India has signed an MOU with which country to create an emergency oil reserve abroad? United States of America. Chandrika Prasad Santokhi of Indian origin has recently been elected the president of which country? Suriname. Which country, followed by America, has banned China's telecom company Huawei? United Kingdom. Which country will host the FIFA World Cup 2022? Qatar. The United Nations has recently declared the terrorist of which country? Mufti Noor Wali Mehsood as a global terrorist. Pakistan. The International Olympic Committee has postponed the Youth Olympic Games 2022 due to COVID-19 to be held in Dakar, the capital of Senegal. When will they be organized now? In the year 2026. Which organization has started the Ubhar Bharat Abhiyan along with CSIR and Vigyan Bharati in order to promote rural development? IIT Delhi. Which state has started a new helicopter service under the Udan scheme, which will be operated by Pawan Hans Limited? Uttarakhand. What is the name of the first independent power generating company to complete all wind energy projects provided by Solar Energy Corporation of India? Semcorp Energy India Limited, SEIL. The Ambala Air Base, where the first batch of Rafale fighter jets arrived, is located in which state or union territory? It is located in Haryana. A fleet of 5 Rafale fighter jets brought from France will be deployed under which squadron of Air Force? It would be deployed under number 17 Squadron, the Golden Arrows. Which new coach has been installed by the railways for safe travel in trains amid corona pandemic? Post-COVID-19 coach. What are the digital education guidelines called, which have been prepared by the Ministry of Education to deal with issues related to mental and physical stress along with other issues among students due to digital education? Pragyata. So friends, with this we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for being with us. We have tried to include few more important questions this time, which would be really helpful for you from the point of view of upcoming competitive exams. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our video. In order to keep getting the updates on other current affairs related topics, please press the bell icon. Thank you.